Well, beauty expert Michelle Phillips is back to share her weekly beauty tips with an emphasis on how beauty begins, this throws me here, with your mindset. I am very confused, but I know you're going to help. So,
That's
Michelle,
right.
Take it away. What do we have and how does this affect the way we look?
Okay, well, first of all, I always share with my clients as well as just on my social media about the importance of our mindset being positive about ourselves. So I just taught a class online about our self-talk. I mean, how many times do we beat ourselves up throughout the day? Even when you look in the mirror, do you say, oh my gosh, you look amazing? Or do you just look at everything wrong with you?
Yep.
And that's typically what celebrities have done through the years, sitting in my chair, telling me, you know, can you make me look younger? Can you take these bags away? Maybe, you know, look 10 pounds thinner. And so the key is really all about getting back to that positive mindset and thinking about what's right with you rather than what's wrong with you. And when you do that, you build more self-confidence, you start taking better care of yourself, and in turn, you look better. So that is my key to looking great, and then you can go into all the outer beauty tips, you know, to improve your appearance. So I have a friend, her name's Lisa Tolles, and she is an actress in New York, and she has been like a rock star for years. She has the same approach about beauty, and she started coaching people and became a life coach, and decided to create a beauty line that actually helps empower women and to help them feel great about who they are, and then a simple no-fuss routine to make you feel good on the outside, because it's the inner outer. So I wanted to share her products with you guys because I just think that's so cool and it's so in alignment with what I do.
Which, you know, I'll be honest with you, one of the things that always helps me feel better, things that smell great. And I can't help, my attention is already going over here. We're talking about soaps, but boy, do they smell tasty.
They do. And that's what she has done, is created a soap line to help awaken your senses and pamper your body and your mind as you're cleansing your body every day. And she's created several different types. One is Soothe. That is a soap that has no fragrance, has goat milk in it, and it has oats, so it's very gentle on the skin. It's her most popular. She's got Pep the Step, which is made with peppermint essential oil, and I don't know about you, but I love peppermint because it wakes me up.
I think that's what I'm smelling, to be honest with you. That smells
so
great.
nice. And these are all natural soaps, and except for Soothe, they're vegan as well. And then the Alive soap contains more of a citrus blend essential oils, so that really kind of gives you going in the morning too, or at night if you want to take a nice bath and just relax. So I love those soaps. They smell just fabulous.
They really do.
If you guys could just smell the smell-o-vision, I always say that. And then she's created a skincare line, which I absolutely love, because like I said, it's very simple but packed with powerful natural ingredients, mostly organic, to really help boost your skin. So again, I always talk about serums and the importance of serums, and she has one included in her line. It's called a twice daily serum. You use it morning and night, formulated to brighten and moisturize your skin, reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, and supercharged with antioxidants, vitamin C, collagen, and again, 89% organic. So this is a really good product. And then she has a daily moisturizer, face and neck cream, because don't forget your neck.
The neck. I'm trying to be better about that, Michelle.
When you get my age, you're going to wish you had taken more care of your neck, because that's the place that really can age quickly. And her daily moisturizing face and neck cream contains super high concentrates of vitamin C, peptides, antioxidants, also hyaluronic acid and collagen. Hyaluronic acid can sound scary to most, but really hyaluronic acid is what draws moisture to your skin. So that's a really important ingredient to look for in skincare products. But overall, her products really help your skin look more dewy and radiant. And again, if you are looking for a life coach or, you know, want to change your mindset, she also has those services too.
You know, back to the ingredients of this, I try to do some investigative work to make sure I'm using the right products, but to be able to find the vitamin C with those anti-aging properties, that I have found difficult. So I love that she was able to combine those both into that product.
Yes, because vitamin C is probably the #1 ingredient that I look for in all of my products.
Really?
I do. Even with my girls that are in their early 20s and they have some acne, vitamin C is a really good ingredient to help diminish even acne. So
that's a good one.
It's such a great product. I mean, ingredient.
Plus, of course, complimenting yourself. I think that was such a great way to start off the segment, and it's always a great way to stay in touch with you. Where can people go for more information?
MichellePhillips.com if you go to my website, or Instagram or Facebook at Michelle Phillips Beauty, and I give lots of tips for not only makeup and hair and style, but your
Mental
mindset.
stuff. I love this. I'm so glad we talked about this
Yeah,
today.
I can make you look great on the outside, but if you don't feel good about who you are,
What's
it doesn't matter.
What does it matter,
For
right?
sure.
Good stuff. Well, you always look great.
Oh, you too.
So, again, thank you for coming.
Work in
and sharing
progress,
this.
girl.
It's
Okay.
all a work in progress.